Welcome to the video, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing new in version 20 under effects. We're going to come to titles, the multi-text. That's what we're going to be discussing today. But first I'm going to show you an example here. Normally to have 4 words come on the screen, I'll play this back. We have to stagger our text boxes in order to do something like that. To have them come on one at a time, it takes 4 text boxes for those 4 words. Well, now, with the new multi-text box, it's kind of a game changer. So I'm going to put 4 words in here, the same 4 words we used there. I'm going to put the word have. And now I can click on this box and I've just added another word. So we'll put this as in the previous one. I'm going to add another box. We'll put word. And then one more. Appear. So now we have our 4 words. Now what we can do, we can turn these off. You can have whatever ones you want to appear. We can drag and drop these here. I'm going to put them in the same order that they are on the screen. Have this word appear. So I'm going to take this first word have. This only affects that word by highlighting it. We can come back up here. We're under text. We can change the font. We can change the color. We can change whatever we want. We can come to the shading tab. We can go to outline. We can enable that. We can bump up the thickness of that. The outline. We can do all this stuff. We can make the line out of dots. I know that's hard to see, but it's been made out of dots. We can bring down the thickness of that to make it look a little better. But we have our outline in dots. There's a lot of things we can do. So what I'm going to do now is we're going to animate these words one at a time. I'm going to come to layout. The word have is highlighted. So at the first frame, we're going to set a keyframe. And I'm going to take this word have off the screen. I'll come ahead 5 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll bring that word back into view. Now, I'll come ahead another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll take the word this. I'm highlighting this. We're going to go this direction this time. I'll come ahead 5. We're going to set a keyframe. I'll come ahead 5 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll bring that back into view. I'm going to go ahead 5 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll take the word and we're going to do, this time we'll do the Y value. I'm going to bring it up, set a keyframe, come ahead 5 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring it back into view. I'm going to go ahead 5 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to take the word appear. This time we'll go from the bottom. I'll set a keyframe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frames. We'll bring that back into view. And it sets a keyframe. Now what we have when we play that back is we have it all animated. All using one text box. We don't need this kind of a mess. We can do it all with one text box. So I'm going to delete that box. You saw what it does. I'll play it through one more time. You can change all the parameters in here using this text box. So I'm going to delete this. I'm going to bring in another one. We're going to stretch it out a little bit. I'm going to delete this text box because I want to use this one. This was point layout. We have text box layout and we have circle layout. I'm going to put a text box layout. I'm going to paste in here something that I had ChatGPT make for me. Now if we come over here and we go down to Fusion Overlay, it gives us this green box. And we can adjust this box, and it word wraps is what it does. Your text will fit within that box. So we'll put it about like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to Layout, Rotation, and we're going to use our X-axis, and we're going to tilt that like that. I'm going to come over here for fun to Generators, and we're going to grab the star field and put that underneath. I think you can see where we're going with this already. I'm going to come back up here to Text. I'm going to take this and bring it down until our first line is showing. I'm going to come to Text. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom. I'm going to come to Scroll. I'm going to put it on Roll. I'm going to set a keyframe. I'm going to come to the end of our clip, and I'm going to simply bring that up until it's gone. It set a keyframe for us. So now we can go back to the beginning, play that back, and there you have it. I bet you've all seen that before. The new multi-text is a game changer. Get in there and play around with it, see what you can do. It's all I got for you in this video. If you learned anything, like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.